Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open an IRA at Charles Schwab. So the first step is visit the Charles Schwab's website. So just go to schwab.com and click open an account on the homepage. Now, Charles Schwab offers a full range of investment accounts with $0 account minimums and commission-free online stock and ETF trades. So the site guides you through the account option clearly. So the next step is choose your IRA type. So Charles offers traditional IRA, Roth IRA, rollover IRA, and inherited IRA. So each option is presented with a description, benefits list, and comparison table showing contribution limits and tax advantages. So just click on open on the IRA type that suits your needs. Next step is fill out your application. So complete the IRA application with your legal name, SSN, date of birth, citizenship, address, phone number, email, and employment information. So Charles Schwab shows a progress indicator, which is a step 2 and 3, so you can track how far along you are in the process. Next step is fund your IRA. So link your bank account to fund your IRA. So options include linking a bank account via routing or account numbers. They also have transferring from another firm or depositing a check. So you can enter your contribution amount and Schwab will remind you of the annual contribution limit. Lastly is start investing from your dashboard. So your Schwab IRA is open. So the dashboard shows your account summary, investment options, portfolio positions, and contribution tracker. So you can just choose the invest, contribute, and transfer button to manage your retirement savings actively. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!